Out with the old and in with the new.
There she is. Oh my gosh. Yo, y'all go say hello to my new PC case. What's good, everybody? Chris Cloud in the cut, and I just wanted to make a video real quick, super short. I just want to show y'all this PC because look at it. Look at, are y'all seeing what, bro? Oh my gosh, this thing is so nice. Let me give you a better angle. So yeah, all I did was I changed the PC case and added a water cooling system. So this is the Thermaltake 360 millimeter white AIO cooler. Link will be in the description if you're interested. But look at this. Oh my gosh.
Hey, yo.
Looks like a wheel. I don't know exactly what wheel looks like. I'll try to find something similar, but I kind of want to get that on my car. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, guys, just real quick. I just want to make a real quick video. Like, this video might be like 2 minutes long. Just showing the case. Like, I feel like y'all need to see this. Y'all need to see what I'm doing in my free time. Building PCs when I'm not working. For those of you that don't know, I work as a mechanic at a Subaru dealership, so that's why I'm not uploading. I'm too busy working on people's cars. But there she is, y'all. And if you want to see the specs, I'll put them up on the screen right now. But that's the PC, and I hope to make some more videos. I think I'm gonna record like 2 videos right now and just try to upload them because y'all probably think I died or something, but no, I'm still here. But for real though, so hope that y'all stay tuned. Look out for new videos. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna stick to doing shoes or cars or both, because I know the YouTube algorithm is a little confused because my content's been all over the place. But once I figure it out, y'all gonna see. So love y'all, appreciate you. Jesus, don't forget that.